Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick update on the Xetra Dax index using i.t.o Cloud. The index is now down almost 1,000 points, 984 points roughly, driven largely after the sell signal in the market. Right up here at 60,200, we had a fantastic sell signal in the Xetra Dax index. That's also comes soon after the DAX became very extended from the top end of the cloud. We look at the distance between the where the cloud level is and the actual price action. So that sell signal came off the 4-hour chart, but where are we now? On the daily, the market's still in bearish territory. Based on the fact that price action is below the cloud, as long as the index stays below the cloud, the outlook remains bearish on the daily chart, with the bottom end of the cloud level here now as the key resistance zones. For the market to turn bullish, we need to be back above the top end of the cloud here. So far, the Xetra Dax remain in bearish territory. Turning to the weekly is still bullish since price action is above the cloud, and we look for support at the top end of the cloud chart level here. That top end cloud level is the key support zone with significant downside risk to the front end of the cloud here. This 14,650 zone is a key front cloud support level to be tested, but it will be interesting to see if we're going to see these levels tested next week. Did have a sell signal on the weekly back up here in a couple of quarters ago, so will be interesting to see if the market's going to reverse that situation. But so far, looking very weak on the daily, bearish outlook since price action is below the cloud. Unless that changes, the outlook will remain bearish. Turning to the 4-hour chart, we can see there we had the fantastic sell signal right up here at 60,200. Beautiful sell signal. The market then sold off, bounced, tried to find support at the top end of the front end of the cloud, sliced through that, rebounded from the bottom end of the cloud here, only to meet resistance back to the turning line of the cloud here. And we also had a cloud chart sell signal in and around the 16,150 zone. So we can see cash is about the best place to be in the Xetra Dax fund right now. And now there's a weak buy signal below the bottom end of the cloud here for the short-term swing traders. There's a possibility that the DAX might rebound from these old cloud chart support levels here if we put these lines in here. You can see these are the levels to watch out for potential rebound zone. The resistance levels will now be the top end, the standard line of the cloud here, that purple line, as well as the top end of the front end of the cloud. These are all new resistance levels now in this bearish outlook. But remember, we're trading counter trend. The DAX on the 4-hour is now still in a confirmed bearish outlook since price action is below the cloud. For the DAX to be bullish again, we really need to trade back above this top end, front end of the cloud. So bearish on daily, bearish on 4-hour with some more aggressive shorter term swing trades possible. But overall bearish outlook on the Xetra Dax for now until price action brings us back above the top end of the cloud. Yeah, the outlook remains bearish. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.